Hi, welcome to the George Fox University Libraries. In this video, we're going to learn how to search using the APA Thesaurus of Psychological Index Terms to enhance our searching. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You'll notice that we're on the advanced search page and we have several options here. I like to start with a broad search instead of limiting immediately. Now in this case, we could go ahead and say I want scholarly peer-reviewed because that's going to be helpful in this case. I want to know something about cognitive load, and it's interesting to me, so I'm going to go ahead and search that. Now when I do this search, you'll notice a couple of things. First of all, my results number in the thousands, and they cover a huge swath of time. And another thing that I'm seeing here is I do not see the term cognitive load listed under my subject headings here. Because in APA, your articles and other information is indexed under subject headings that are controlled vocabulary. So what I want to do is I want to find out what cognitive load is called. So I'm going to go ahead and go up here to the APA Thesaurus of Psychological Terms. I'm going to open this. Now there's two search boxes here. This top one is your search field for the database. The second search field here is for the thesaurus itself. So think of it as like flipping open a dictionary and thumbing through it. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm just going to type in cognitive load. And in this case, I don't really need quotation marks because I'm in the thesaurus. So it says cognitive load, use human channel capacity. This is not a term I would have thought of. It's very specific, and you'll notice that I clicked into the term itself because I wanted to see what it actually covers. So it was introduced in 1973, and the number of signals or information volume which can be processed simultaneously is the scope note. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose some related terms here. Cognitive processing speed looks interesting to me because it's talking about processing information, and I think that'll work. And I'm going to go ahead and add those with an or because I'm going to treat these as synonyms or related terms. And so when I click add, my terms show up in the top in my search field of the database. And I'm going to click search and wait ever so patiently for the database to look into the matter. All right, I have nearly 8,000 results. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and use my term that is kind of my layman's term, my cognitive load term. And so I'm going to go ahead and put that in quotation marks so it'll search as a phrase. And I'm using or. So you'll notice in here, the top section, I have DE, open quotation marks, human channel capacity, and then so forth. The DE just is a notation in the database, a code that says, okay, this is what an exact subject heading is going to be called. And so it's just a code. But over here, I'm just going to, search all text and click search. All right, I've increased my result list to about 10,000. Obviously, this is too many, but we can go ahead and apply what we've learned to narrow our search, and we'll pick up in the next video with that.